Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to do Pre-Calc Lesson 77, Binomial Expansions. A binomial expansion is, just as it sounds, expanding a binomial. And remember, this is multiplying it out. Now, typically, I called this FOIL, first, outside, inside, last. But it is no longer, it is FOIL no longer if the power is greater than 2. We have a process we are going to do, okay? So, if we have a plus b being two numbers, if I have a plus b to the 0, this is 1. Now you'll notice why I'm leaving space in just a minute. Okay? A plus b to the 0 is 1 because anything to the 0 power is 1. Now a plus b to the 1 is just a plus b. Let's look at a plus b squared. A plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b cubed, we have a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Are we noticing a pattern? Let's keep going. A plus b to the 4th, we have a to the 4th plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the 4th. One more, a plus b to the 5. I have a to the 5 plus 5a to the 4th b plus 10a cubed b squared plus 10a squared b cubed plus 5ab to the 4th plus b to the 5. That is my binomial expansion. Okay, now let's talk about the pattern. If I can grab my paper. The pattern are conclusions. If we look at the number of terms in an expansion, it is always one more than the exponent. So when we had a plus b to the 0, that's 1. I have one term, and my one term is 1 more than 0. Okay? Now, our first and last term, they only have one variable, meaning it's just a, it's just b, and they have a coefficient of 1, always. Okay, the exponents, okay, 1 increases by 1, and the other decreases by 1. So let's look at a plus b squared. If I was to write this, I have a squared plus 2ab. Notice my a power started at 2, now it's 1. My b power, I have a silent b to the 0. It starts at 0, moves to 1, and goes to 2, where my a moves to 0. My a is going down, my b is going up. Okay? And always, with my powers, my exponents, the sum equals my power. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. It's always going to equal 2. Now, the rest of the coefficients, is even more impressive. The rest of the coefficients follows Pascal's triangle. Now, if you really want some fun information about Pascal, you can take my math history class if it still exists when you're here. Okay? But for now, in Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two above it. The two numbers above it. So we start with 1. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 0 is 1. Now, again, 1 and 0 is 1. Now here I have 1 plus 1 gives me 2. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 and 0 is 1. Notice my coefficients. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? This follows that pattern. We continue. 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. We have 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. And it continues forever and ever and ever. I'm not going to make you continue forever and ever and ever. Okay, there's no need to continue much more than that. Okay, we will be doing some different expansions though. Okay, so let's do an example. Okay, example 1. Write all the terms of each expansion. X plus y to the 6th. Okay. So, let's first look at our exponents. Okay, we have x and y. Now, x is my first term, so I'm going to start at the top and go down. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And y is going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now, this is my first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. We know we have 7 terms because it's always one more than my exponent. Okay, and my coefficients I get from Pascal's triangle, from the 7th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th row of Pascal's triangle. So my coefficients, I will have 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. All right, let's combine those all together. So I will have 1 times x to the 6th, plus my next coefficient is 6. I have x to the 5y, plus 15 x to the 4y squared, plus 20 x cubed y cubed, plus 15 x squared y to the 4th, plus 6.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you wrap this up for me?
You're the best. Thank you. X, y to the 5, and plus y to the 6. Okay. Now, I didn't leave myself quite enough room. Hope you left yourself a little bit more. Let's go and do another example. Example 2, we are going to expand x plus y to the 7. Now, you don't have to write out this chart every time, but I think it's very helpful, so I'm going to again. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. I have x and y. I'll have x to the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's go back to Pascal's triangle. Okay, I need the 8th row, excuse me. It's always one more than my coefficient. So I'll have 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. Okay, so my coefficients, I will have 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. So let's write out my terms. X to the 7 plus 7x to the 6y plus 21x to the 5y squared plus 35x to the 4th y cubed plus 35x cubed y to the 4th plus 21x to the x squared y to the 5 plus 7x y to the 6 plus y to the 7. This is my answer. You don't have to box the whole thing. Now notice how easy it is to make a mistake. Okay? Make sure you are paying attention very carefully. All right. Here's another example. Write the 4th term of each of these expansions. So we'll have x plus y to the 5. Okay, now we know, again, so 1, 2, 3, my 4th term, I will have x to the 5, 4, 3, 2, y to the 0, 1, 2, 3, and my coefficients, I will have 1. If I look at Pascal's triangle, I have coefficient of 5, so I go down to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th row. I'll have 1, 5, 10, 10. So my 4th term will be 10x squared y cubed. That's my 4th term. Let's write the 4th term of x plus y to the 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll have x to the 8, 7, 6, 5, y to the 0, 1, 2, 3. And I have to make one more row in my triangle. So 1, 8, 28, 1, 2, 3. I only need one more, 56. So 56 will be here. Right, this is 1, 8, 28. So I will have 56x to the 5y cubed. Okay, now I will not be giving you Pascal's triangle on your quizzes or tests. It's something you're going to have to know yourself. Okay, we will do more examples tomorrow. If you have any questions, bring them to class. But for now, that is all.